Hey, it's Mars, your favorite We Uplift the World intern. It's week 3, and I'm here to give you a quick recap on what I did this week. Okay, so for day 1, I really just made a new article outline for the week. I cleaned up some of my recap video from last week, and I joined a Twitter space. After we hopped on the call, we talked about Twitter spaces and all of that. You know, kept talking about NFTs, just getting more YouTube videos and stuff like that to watch. And yeah, I joined a Twitter space, started listening to them talk about some stuff, which was pretty cool for me. On day 2, I took all of like the videos that they've been sending in the chat and stuff like that, and I made a YouTube playlist, and I started watching some of the videos and taking some notes on the videos and stuff. Here you can see like some of my notes about marketing and stuff like that, which I'm starting to learn some more about. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Day 3, I hopped on a call with Bijan, and we started talking about how I was feeling about writing some of my articles. I told him how I was feeling kind of nervous about writing some of my articles because I didn't really know what to write about. And he basically just encouraged me to just, go with the flow and make my articles pretty authentic to like what I was doing and what I was thinking and stuff. So, with my new advice, I wrote my article that day. And then later I went outside and I got some workouts in, got some workouts in for track practice. Yeah, here you can probably see a video of me doing some flips. And yeah, day 4, Thursday, we were on a Zoom call and we went over my article, like reviewed it and revised it, just kind of switching around the wordplay and stuff like that to make the article like a lot more appealing to the readers. So for example, instead of me saying, oh, these people just want to buy a regular t-shirt, we don't call it regular, we just call it a t-shirt because, hey, like people who like NFTs are regular too. Friday, I recorded some videos from the paragraphs from my article, switched on the words and stuff so I could, talk on the camera, and I started editing them and I submitted them in my Google Drive.